out this cow. Hey, cow. All right, we're climbing and climbing. Right now we're like 8,000 feet or so, and we've got some aspen trees. It's just so beautiful up here. We just we see some camping and some cows and some trees and cool air. It's about 80 degrees. We're just enjoying a beautiful drive through the mountains right now. It's amazing. All right, well, this was an awesome lunch spot, but we've got to hit the road again. All right, we are climbing and climbing. We're about 9,000 feet. We're at the peak of a mountain right now. The air is so fresh with the smell of pine trees. It's about 80 degrees in the middle of July. It's just beautiful. Look at this. All right, this should give you some perspective of the road we're on right now. Reduction gearboxes just pull you up almost anything in these old buses. Coming up to this fire watchtower, and look at this view. All right, I made it up the road first. Everybody's pulling in. We're at the fire watchtower on the top of the mountain. I mean, you can see there's White Sands, New Mexico out there.
Oh my God! Holy cow, Matt Jackson!
What was your first thought when you saw that?
I went, wow! It was amazing. Look at this. Top of the world, baby.
This is what it's all about. It'd be cool if we could climb up there, but it's locked. What were you saying about this trip so far?
This is freaking rad. It's the best thing I've ever done in my life. It's the craziest thing I've ever done on my bus ever.
He just proposed. Oh, how sweet.
Oh, yeah.
What are your names?
Ashley and Nancy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good luck in marriage
Thank
and
you.
the rest of your lives. You picked an awesome spot.
No,
Yeah.
we've been planning it for 3 years, and I was wanting to go up there, but I know that you guys up there. So.
Your front bar.
Well, we found a spot. We can't have a campfire, but we found a good spot. Everyone's we're not circling up, we're just gonna kind of get dispersed, kind of find, the key is to find a level spot.
Yeah, that's not very level.
All right, it's dinner time here on the mountain. I'm not super fancy, so I'm just doing cheese enchiladas, boil some water, put it in a bag. Let's see what else people are having. What are you having for dinner?
It's red beans and rice with kielbasa sausage.
Oh, nice.
Zucchini.
So
That's
Alice,
horrible.
you're cooking zucchini. This is the healthiest meal of the day in your jet boil.
That's horrible.
What's for dinner over here on this side of the camp?
New York hot sauce named after Texas.
You could eat this dinner?
Matt Jackson could eat this dinner. Yes, he could.
You guys are eating vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
I am so proud of you guys.
Sour cream vegetarian.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not
shit.
vegan though.
So you guys are having rice with some kind of soup?
Beans,
Oh, okay.
cheese, tomatoes, cilantro.
All cooked on the Coleman 2 burner. Kebabs, you got potato, chicken, and red onion. Looks like your fire's almost ready.
Once the flame goes out, it'll be ready.
What are you having for dinner, Charlie?
I'm having burgers. Oh, Brett, though, about 4 packs of burgers. Look at him.
Wow, look at that.
All right, VW lifers. That wraps up day 3.
Well, day 4, we're out here.
It's day 4, Matt Jackson.
Day 4.
God, you sure? Look
Yes.
at that. Look at Ravenstone. Look at this.
You see that?
Look at that. Nice, Matt Jackson.
What did we see last night? Across the sky.
We saw
El
out in the West Texas town of El Paso, I fell in love with a Mexican girl. We saw El Paso.
Yeah, El Paso is. We don't know how many miles that is, and then we saw a giant. We saw a shooting star.
We actually saw it, yeah.
Sorry for a couple
We saw a meteor coming through, man.
So we're heading north to the Ruidoso area today. So just
Yeah.
more driving and enjoying the countryside.
Yeah, through Cloudcroft, there's a scenic byway up through their way. We got to stop and get some provisions.
Yep.
These Yetis are good, but they're not that good.
Yep. So stick with us.
Yeah, let's see Travels and Travails
Yes, more adventures to come.
of New Mexico Bus Bash 2020.
Yep. Well, Alice has have a little problem with the throttle cable that we're gonna patch up, and then we're gonna head down the trail here. Actually, kind of tough getting up here with the roots of this tree. So we've just come up here, and we've kind of improved the trail to get over some of these large. Here's your markings. Large roots. There you go. Oh, Jesus.
Whoa!
Oh my God. It started. Yeah.
It's like I meant for it to do, baby.
If you guys want to follow on Instagram, hashtag Ziggy the Bus. It's something, this trail right here.
Hey, Willie boy.
Alright, well, we're back on pavement. It's been about 2 days, so kind of sad to be leaving nature and heading into civilization again.
Yeah, we're left Lincoln National Forest to Sacramento Mountains, and we're gonna head up towards Ruidoso to the mountains up in there where Sierra Blanca is. I think it's over 11,000 feet. You can already feel a little bit the temperature's warming up. But we're doing great. Buses are running good. So what we're doing here in front of the Lincoln National Forest sign is we're gonna do a nice group picture of everybody.
Well, we made it up to Ruidoso from the awesome spot last night, and it's just kind of hot, and there's not a lot of great camping spots, we don't think. So we're gonna start making tracks to Roswell and start heading back east. It'll make it much easier in the coming days to get through Texas in this brutal heat. So it's 105 degrees and we're heading to Roswell, New Mexico. The terrain has gone from forest to pretty much desert. All right, who has the bus? There you go, you get a sticker. Oh, right on, thank you. All right, so we made it to Roswell and it's really hot, so we're going to take a little siesta under these trees and then make our way west when the sun starts going down a bit.
It worked for our ancestors.
David.
And what's your name?
Karina.
And Karina, it's your bus, huh? Here's some
Yes,
stickers.
yes, it
cool.
is. Thank you.
And you guys live here in
Roswell.
And you guys live here?
Yes.
Okay, you know, we saw at the parts store there's a yellow split bus and we stopped and we gave him a sticker.
Yes.
And we saw at the Albertsons there's a Beetle.
Yeah, that thing's.
It's an early Beetle.
Yeah.
We're so happy to see this out here. So
Yeah.
We're excited to have y'all guys here.
Yeah, this is cool. That's very
Yeah.
cool.
And your bus is a 76?
76.
Yeah, cool. Very cool. On that long road down the mountain, Brett made a poignant.
Oh, it was beautiful comment there, Matt Jackson. El Breto said, "Our old Volkswagen campers are the missing link between the old covered wagons in the West and today's modern RVs." And it was just very poignant.
Yeah. As exciting as it sounds, we're at a city park in Brownwood, Texas, just for a quick.
Brownfield, Matt Jackson.
Oh, Brownfield,
Brownfield.
Texas. We're headed home, so we're just it's a quick pit stop at a free camping spot here, and tomorrow we make trek south. All right, well, we're pulling into the first gas station, and it looks like Charlie has a flat, so we're gonna get that changed. So you guys
sitting overnight, it went flat, so he must have just picked it up or something.
Yeah, that's amazing. We were just talking about that screw last night.
Yeah, I know. We jinxed it.
And over here, he's got, luckily enough, he's got like a racing jack, a full-size 3-ton racing, aluminum racing jack.
Wait, when you're oh my God, it's too early to pick that up. Oh, it was at the bottom of the barrel down in here.
Yeah, just set it right.
Here.
Right there.
So we're gonna like this.
So it's 375 miles in July in 7 Volkswagens. What could go wrong?
Yeah, well, it's at 6 o'clock. We already had a flat.
We're in Coleman, Texas, and this is the diesel van again. See, it says diesel. And look at this. It's leaking quite a bit of the diesel.
Here, look at the front of my bus.
And then over here, if you want to check out this trip, on Jason's channel, I'll put a link right here, Old Folks TV, check it out. He's gonna have a really good account of our adventures today.
I'm gonna have an account.
It'll be really good.
It's debatable, but it'll be there.
So check it out.
We're pretty close. We're in Lampasas after about 3 weeks on the road.
3 weeks.
It has been a wonderful New Mexico bus bash with some wonderful friends. We went into the mountains. We were at 9,500 feet, and it was like cold.
Yep.
It's not that now.
No,
It sucks down here. Right?
We're all moving, by the way. You'll find us in New Mexico in the mountains from now on.
Yeah.
Now, what a wonderful journey. We appreciate you guys sticking with us.
Yep.
It has been so much fun. Stay with us for more adventures. Make sure you tell your friends, tell your aunts, tell your uncles. Stay tuned to VW Life. This is what we do for you guys and for us.
Thanks for watching. Later.
Woo!